Everything can be hacked, and everyone. Just like in training.
It says he's not though.
Okay, so
it's the Dolphins.
two strategies that usually work well for me is either if I go Sombra and try to get UP, and then maybe that works, or I can make some Metro work. Like I can teleport us to the left side, and then once we're on the left side, they either push us in, which point the turrets will melt them, or we can, and then we can teleport out to like high ground top left.
I think Sombra's good. We got speed boost to get through shit.
Number 29 season 12 October 21st.
Where are we going? Right side or left side?
Sunday in Vegas.
Left side? Let's go. Looks like they're playing dive probably. Alright guys, play left side.
There's Soldier. Soldier dies. Hold's in high ground.
Monkey's hacked.
You better make it, you better make it, you better make it.
You have to.
Their brig is low.
Bring that.
Monkey's hacked. Their monkey's hacked. Their monkey's hacked in the back. Their monkey's hacked in the back. He's finished.
Hands on top, hands on top one, hands on top one.
He's half. Their brigger's hacked.
I'm turning off the
okay, still bar.
You better make.
Hands on top.
And a half.
Got 2 headshots. That's big. So we could feasibly win this fight. Focus fire. Focus Anna. Focus everyone Anna. Everyone Anna. Focus fire. Call targets. I'm not there.
Diva.
Call targets. I'm not there. Soldier high ground.
Put your shield up, bro. What the fuck?
We're taking point. We're good. Just kill the break. Help with the break, please. Help with the break.
I need help.
No, Soldier's still on high ground. He's shooting down on
No, they burn their nano boost. Fall back regroup. We're gonna have nano boost. I mean, we're gonna have EMP.
That Soldier fucking carried hard, bro.
someone to get on high ground.
Yeah, I went and then I couldn't.
Do we get like a advanced action? We would have.
We have EMP for the next fight. I can push it.
Really low, right?
Get ready for EMP. I'm gonna go in with it. Get ready. I'm throwing it. EMP. I got three. Okay, I gotta change. Let's go full dive comp or.
Yo, we have to rush top right, dude. We have to
I gotta change though. Yeah, let's go top right. I'll go soldier too. Just crossfire
I
it.
still want to go monkey.
Wait.
Yeah, we just need to go monkey.
Yeah.
We have 4 ults. We can win this. We have grab dragon combo. Let's push top right as a unit. It's gotta go kind of fast. We can push now. Let's move.
Hey, what do you mean? What about me?
You're a tank.
Good. Let's go.
Monkey has all. Burn him.
Let's go.
Burn monkey.
Let's go.
Get burn the monkey.
Let's get all the guys off this guy.
Break's coming. Break's here. Kill the break.
Break the feeder.
Break one. Nice.
I'm going upper.
Alright, I got their healer. There we go. We got
upper.
Put your right side.
Nice.
You got it. Good shit, guys.
Good teamwork. Let's rush it. They have 2 in the spawn room. Han's in the spawn room freshly. Heavily. Big shatter. Let's get a tick. Lucio. Monkey out.
Yeah, for your breath.
You better make.
Get monkey.
Who's half?
Watch out, Reaper. Reaper 1, Reaper 1.
I'm on the monkey one. One hit.
And out 1 point.
Well done.
Guys.
Good swaps and everything.
No, we swap one guy.
Oh, me? Good single swap, I guess. Yeah, I thought he was going for me with the sleeve, and I was like, how do you miss that? But then he got you.
Can you mainly play Zarya?
Huh?
If you're ready, if you can only play Zarya, I prefer defensive guys on defense.
Play 3.
He has time on Hammond. You can play Hammond, I think, right?
I think Anna's better.
You guys want to do defensive dive? We have time to switch it.
Yeah, I prefer. I got friend.
Vidas, I don't know how you say it. Name. Zarya. Can you change to Hammond or Diva or no? You don't play them.
Wait, me?
Yeah.
What do you want me to play, Diva?
Yeah. Can you play Diva or Hammond?
Wait, why should I just go Zarya?
We're talking defensive dive. Like, aren't you hearing us? This guy's saying he prefers defensive dive.
Okay,
He said.
coming. Shit.
If you go Hammond, you'll be back in time.
No, I don't know how to play him, man.
You had time on him. That's why I was assuming you did.
Oh, yeah, no, I mean, I tried, and it's not okay.
Try to draw them to dive on you. Okay, fuck them up.
Diva. Farah.
Fair. If they wouldn't hurt him, let's not jump her.
Yeah, play in this corner over here, guys. Play right here. I got you guys.
They separated.
They're splitting. Yeah, Diva's up top by herself. I think Diva's up top by herself.
Help.
Oh, help, wait. Fuck.
Diva out of suit.
Okay, I got 2 shattered.
Other Diva. Might be winnable.
I died.
I don't think we
We split up way too much. We weren't prepared. We gotta set up second point. We can hold them second point. The hardest thing is the first push. They're not gonna really have ults, I don't think. We gotta give it up though. I'm gonna go Bastion for the push. Just, go shit to support Bastion. I'm really good at him. Omega, can you go a shield tank right now? Or Ren probably? Because you have a low ult charge. I can melt them with Bastion for their setup that they have. Just avoid the Widow. If she gets any headshots, that's huge for her. Avoid the top.
It will be your shield.
Well, walk up a little bit, Ryan, so I can see. Walk up a little bit. That's huge.
Go.
Go in there, alright.
No
shield. I'm trying to body block,
We gotta touch, we gotta touch.
I have nothing, I can't.
Why we throw?
On the Widows too.
Yeah, the Widow wasn't a good pick, dude.
Yeah, we
Throw
threw
in Reaper or
Bastion wasn't a good pick.
You got headshotted by Widow, then it was a 6-on-5. Like, that was the problem. They easily
But why
came
would
in
you
on
go
us.
Bastion?
Because they didn't have a strong shield. Okay, I'll tell you what. They didn't have a strong shield. They dived me with a Winston, and then I melted shield immediately, and I melted him immediately, but it was 6-on-5, so they overpowered
just
us.
has free reign though. What's our round?
Nah, I was using the shield. I was using the...
Yeah,
doesn't have-
the thing
there's
is, like,
like
I got
a-
that I got picked first and I like threw the round, but we were stuck off the point and they were just capping for free. You know?
We should stick on the right side of the not the left.
Bastion might have worked if we were on the other side.
Top right. Or even someone go monkey. And then we just wait. Like if they take high ground.
all go right. Stick this right. Are you guys ready? We're ready? Speed.
Let's go, let's go.
Go, 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 go. Oh, Honor's up here, Honor's up here. Get on it.
Get down, get down.
Got you, Ryan. I got you, Ryan. I'm pocketing.
Up here, Ryan. We need your wall. There's a window.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, let's go, let's go.
Our arms might get caught out. Alright, I'm gonna drop down. Hey, you want me to drop down?
Get him, get him, get him. Continue. Nice. Bubble right. Careful.
Jump, yo, shield.
I don't know where you're at. Oh shit, dude. I have no juice.
Hey, baby's one.
The baby diva.
Get the healer. Nice.
Oh no.
She's on.
Oh, we can push this. Hurry, go. We can rush this.
My ultimate ability.
Go.
Go really fast. I have shadow soon.
Commence attack on objective B.
Hey, monkey. And a half. Then
Look at the back. You got a mag.
No risk.
We have one tick, we have 1.5. Let's get another tick. We get another tick. Focus fire. Focus, call targets. Reaper no shift. Call targets. Save the Hans hold.
I'm monkey now. Monkey, you can die. Alright, next you're gonna push primal. Grab him 50. Grab him.
My ultimate is on.
Just die. Like, walk towards us.
Hey, fall back, regroup. We have grab dragon combo.
Alright, Reaper might have
Push left side, it'll be the easiest way to get it set up. I have tactical visor.
Almost ready.
Push deep left. We can get 2 pushes. I'll go on McCree after I burn visor.
Tactical visor.
I'm already here. Let's push deep left. I'll change after I burn it. Deep left.
That's that.
At least let me get sound barrier.
Push up.
You're gonna get deep out of mech and so just know.
Yeah, no.
And on one.
One resolve.
Where's the grab dragons? Oh, our Hanzo's dead.
Just die.
Grab dragon.
Yeah, we have all combo.
Why? I don't know anymore. I was doing tactical there to push them back. I'll go McCree now. Run the spawn room. And they burn their self-destruct. I don't know what else they burn.
I think that was it.
I'm gonna go May instead of McCree actually.
I'm trying to get a fat
I'll be able to get walls.
Let's get deep out of mech. We gotta get deep out of mech. Above, Winston's above.
What's your plan?
Push deep left so we can get the grab dragons combo.
Left side.
Deep left and we just grab it.
They're gonna have Death Blossom though.
They have no defensive wall.
Reaper's up top.
They have monkey off.
Maze one.
Just throw it.
Alright, go for it.
Watch out, Reaper roll.
So I'm just stuck on the top right.
One is Reaper's one.
That wall fucked us up right there, bro. I couldn't hear.
Oh, they have a...
Yeah, why did the grab dragons work there? Did they eat it? Did they eat the grab?
We have
I only got one person.
We grab 1%.
Why? Okay, let's do a dive. I'm gonna go Hammond. We're gonna 3 tanks it. We have 20 seconds.
You want to go main or right side?
Main. I can dive first. Get ready. I'm gonna dive. They have a couple top. Diving main. I'm in main.
Reaper's coming up top.
And a focus.
Speed boosting. You gotta get there.
You got a mech. Go, get on site. Get
Get on point. Got a touch.
That was the point.
It's on me. The Reaper is on me, man. 3 health. Where are you? Alright, you're not even gonna get the first one.
We should have went D though.
Switching sides.
Defense matrix fucks over Hanzo and Reaper.
Alright, what do you want to go here?
Select
If you're not comfortable on Diva, I'll go.
Go Genji, go. Just go dive. That ass.
What do you
Just
want
go
me to
Genji.
do?
I'll play Diva. I'll play Diva. And then let's not run a Reaper. You can go like, I don't know.
We should get a hit
Like,
scan.
something.
Hit scan would be good just in case you do that for us.
They're gonna run a Widow. They're gonna run a Widow. So just be careful.
attackers incoming.
I think Anna here would be good. Do you play Anna? JVND? Okay. Alright. Melt targets.
Anna Zen stayed top left. Yeah, top left. And all in the
The
back.
thing is that you guys are dive. We're gonna lose sight of you guys really quick.
I can keep an orb on Genji.
Yeah, yeah. I know.
Just play up top, Anna.
We play counter dive. Guys. We're not diving aggressive. We're playing counter dive.
I gotta play in a safe place, so
Yeah, you guys
play
get
the
this.
soul. Okay, yeah, let's go up top. Let's go up top. Get out of here.
They already saw me. I'm already up here.
Get on
They're
it.
main, they're main.
Dive on that, dive on
And one. Dead.
Yeah, they're main.
Monkey next.
With the monkey?
The down the tree, the down the tree.
Monkey one.
They raised Anna.
Push.
Be careful, back out. That was a good stop.
I'm going back up top with
Baby,
Anna.
baby,
We're gonna play
baby,
back
baby.
my point, guys. Take me heals.
I prime 130.
Let me know if they're coming over this way. So, oh shit.
Don't die, be careful, be careful.
I'll do that, nice. I'm in mercy one, never mind. Monkey half. We'll go back up like that. I have prime on next.
They're running triple support.
Yeah, play safe, get back. Okay, we're counter that. See what they did there? The second they try to push, we jump on.
We have too many heals.
I have visor.
Let's also
Get
just
their Diva. Get their Diva. Get their Diva.
Keep
She's so
at a
boring.
mech, keep at a mech.
Break.
Wait, do we have
I
nano?
dropped.
Hanzo.
I got you, Anna.
Enemy.
I can't see you, bro. Jump.
Got heals on you, Anna.
I'm in mercy. Mercy half. I got that.
I got trans. Stay like this.
I can see my company.
Trans on point.
I'm dead. Sorry.
Help the monkey.
I think it's safe in.
Try to defend as much as possible.
I can't heal because of the bubble.
We have a kill. 5 on 5. It's winnable. It's 5 on 5.
Oh no. Fuck.
Let's go Reaper, dude.
I was just trying to get back fast. I'll go Reaper now.
No, anybody.
I'll go Reaper now.
That would be good. Oh yeah, Reaper.
We have swords soon though.
Nano boost charge.
Bravo, guys.
They have to almost get the point here, so it's definitely doable.
Yeah, it's very, very doable. The hardest push is the
I thought
first.
they only needed 1 tick, sorry.
Hardest push is the first.
You can get Diva at a mech.
Oh, watch out.
You lost 2.
Guys, play back.
Get nano.
Diva's on a mech.
You mean alright. On monkey.
Get nano.
The monkey.
No, we don't have nano. Got it.
Get the baby. Break.
Got heals for anybody?
Get the break.
They're all over me, dude. Get on that point.
And one.
I died.
Monkey one.
You guys got it.
Target. Break.
It's winnable. It's winnable.
Break, please.
No.
I'm on point.
Get on the point.
Get Anna. Anna's just dying.
N1.
N01.
Help.
N1 HP. Anna.
Yo, Brick's low.
We need to kill the brig. She's keeping everyone alive.
Oh, we got solos.
Get on the point. Diva, low.
Breaks run.
We have self-destruct.
I got their tank. You guys got it.
Good brig slip. Good brig grab.
They're lit on the right. Help.
Help me. Break one.
Stack on our break.
You see one?
They're just wasting a lot of time, dude.
Yeah, they are. Nice.
Good stop.
Dude, the hard got.
Fall back.
The break got all.
Good job, guys.
2 CP. Makes me want to die.
Try to get Diva out of X so our Reaper can pop off.
It doesn't. We have to wait for the break dash also. Otherwise, we'll be consuming it. Maybe just solo out the armor or some shit.
Watch out, guys.
Probably.
Careful. We can afford to lose this effect.
I got Reaper.
They're down Anna. They're down their main heals.
Sit down, Anna.
Oh!
Mine's on point.
Bubbling.
Where was it?
It's 3. We lost 3. Still winnable. We need that junk right ult. We might need a Hammond to roll back the point fast. I have Reaper ult. We need a Hammond May. Those are the good stalls right now. Hammond May.
I can,
That's Blossom.
We're running the time. Let's play as big.
Get the break. Break slow.
Anna.
Break slow.
on her.
Lucio down.
Coming now.
Come on.
Get my rally.
Fuck yeah, bro. Fuck yeah.
Good stops. 15 seconds. Just be smart about this. We can wrap it up.
Hold up closer.
10 seconds.
Maybe gonna touch.
They have 2 in the smart room. 5 seconds.
They have. I don't think they're gonna. Chris is going around.
Get on site.
Hey, back up.
This is on point.
Moira.
What?
On point.
Lucy.
We have 2 kills. It's still winnable.
Lucio.
Their man's low. We have Death Blossom soon.
I am low. I need some.
Hammond one.
Oh my god.
One.
Nice
Good
try.
job, guys.
Holy crap, dude.
That was a tough one.
Heart rate. Hold.
Time to quit this game.
Oh my god. Oh, big skill. Oh my god. Oh. You see that track?
Yeah, we definitely did.
We had a little bit of infighting for a minute.
Well, I'm still down to play. If you're down now.
I'm taking a break. That might be my last for the day. Well, good games, guys. $1.20 9 season 12. I should probably just soldier a lot more in McCree and May. Like, that's a May map right there. I should probably May and propose going top right to start, and then we can push out once we push and drop down to the point. I can wall when they push up on us and we'll probably get a kill. That's what I should propose for the next time for that. Or push left, and then if they push up on us, I'll wall them. Push left is actually safer, yeah. And you can wall for the approach too on both approaches. So left side with the Mei. Like I love playing Sombra, so I try to force it too much. But for first spot Anubis right now with the current meta, in this meta, like with the way everybody is, all the heroes and stuff that people playing, the way the heroes are tuned, you can't really swing at Sombra on first point of Anubis that well, unless your team wants to wait for you to get EMP and then really do something smart with the EMP, like combo it with another ult, or just like start diving the right people. But yeah, that's my experience. That's pretty much the biggest takeaways. Able to pull that one off with good comms and teamwork. That's cool. Those are always good to win. Those are always fun. But 7 days to get to GM. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make the push or not. I'm thinking I might. I'm thinking I might not. I'm not sure if I'm really gonna try to grind it out or not. But I'm gonna take a break for now. 1.29 Season 12, Sunday, October 21st, 2018. It's Lofty Vagrant in transmission.